Hi, welcome to Zegal. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zegal's e-signature function, which allows all the parties to e-sign on your document in a matter of seconds. After your document is fully built and edited, go ahead and click the yellow Manage Signers button at the top right. You can add yourself as a signer and select which party you represent and what role you are signing as. Feel free to repeat this step for all the necessary parties by searching up the party name or email, or even creating a new contact entirely. The important thing to remember is that after you have sent the invitations to all relevant parties to sign, you will no longer be able to edit the document once this process has started. However, if you've sent the invitations but have changed your mind, you have the option to cancel the signing process. However, if you're good to go, the next step would be to e-sign the document yourself. Click the yellow sign symbol at the bottom right corner. This will give you the option to draw your signature or upload one. Once you've signed, your signature will automatically be placed in the relevant area. It's really that simple. Once all your counterparties have signed, you'll receive an email notification that the document is now completed. Please make sure to check out our other videos that teach you how to use other features on Zegal. Thank you so much for watching and using Zegal.